What is it?
My love present. Oh no!
Oh, pick it up then. Pick up the yellow pen.
No, wait. That's red.
You're doing red. Okay, what are you going to do with red?
The red light freaking.
What is it?
The red.
Is the red gone on your thumb?
Yeah, the colour's in.
No, don't colour it in. Draw around your hand.
Okay.
No, don't colour it in.
It's a face.
It's a face?
Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah, it is.
The face with some hairs.
With some hairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some feet.
Some feet?
Yeah.
Some feet? How many feet?
1, 2.
1, 2?
1, 2, 3. Look.
Oh, look. Is he sad?
Yeah.
Oh, poor person, he's sad. Why is he sad?
Too tacky.
Do him happy, okay. There, he's happy now. Has he got any hair? That's big hair.
Red.
That is red.
I do not watch it.